Hi guys! Winwyn here, and I'm so excited to share this video sa inyo because I'm going to review a brand ng glasses and shades. And I'm so excited kung ano yung itsura niya because it's my first time to open the package that they sent me. And actually, I also purchased from them through their website. So now I'm so excited to see it, kung ano yung itsura niya. I'm wearing a contact lens ngayon, but I prefer wearing glasses kasi syempre hindi siya nakakairita or hindi siya mahirap tanggalin. So here it is. Charing! This is Peculiar brand. This is a local brand. It's made here in the Philippines, and I super love ko yung lalagyan nila yung box nila. As you can see, Jeepney, proud Filipino, and ang ganda. You can reuse it also. You can put it as a display, or if you want to put your things inside, recycle, diba? So it's really nice. So let's open it. Ooh. I like that it has a really nice lalagyan of the glasses kasi syempre like me, I'm very careless. Kung saan ko siya linalagay. So I really need a lalagyan, and then it protects it inside my bag or my maleta or anything. So let's see this style. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the first one. It's like a round glasses. Gold round glasses. Okay. Ooh, it's so nice. Look at that. Diba? Ganda. This doesn't have any grade yet. Actually, you can put grade. Pwede nila maglagay ng grado sa eyeglasses yun. Just request them, and they're gonna help you change the lens. But if you want na protection lang sa mata nyo when you're using your gadgets from the blue light, yes, it protects your eyes from the UV ng gadgets nyo, cellphone, TV, and everything. So it's good to protect your eyes, lalo na ngayon that we're always in front of our phones, laptops, etc. So inside, you have yung pang-white niya. There. So this is the first one. So let me put this here. There is another one. So excited to see it. This naman iba yung lalagyan niya. Ganda! I love it. Super nice. Hard case naman to. From Peculiar. This is like aviators, if I'm not mistaken. This is so nice! Look at that! Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So stylish. Plus, super lightweight, which I love. I love it. Ang lightweight niya, hindi mabigat. Lalo na sa nose, diba? Yung magkakaroon ng parang mark. Now, I don't think this will have a mark on my nose because it's so light, it's so stylish. I love it. And you can also change the lens of this one. But as it is na walang grade, protects your eyes na from the blue light, mga UV rays from your phones, and even the sun, diba? Protect your eyes. Yun ang pinaka-importante dun yun. I mean, protect yourself also from everything. Of course, you have to wear a mask. Pero don't forget your eyes as well. So this is also nice. Another one is, soft case. This is a bigger round glasses. I love it. I think it complements my face well. Yung mga ganito. So nice. You know, I really love how light it is. Importante kasi sa akin yung light and ready to go. Hindi siya mabigat, hindi siya hassle, hindi masakit sa ulo. You can put it anywhere in your bag. At the same time, it has good protection, of course. Nilalagyan niya. I really love the style though. I mean, this is local, this is Peculiar. It's so nice. It's really nice. And speaking of the blue light and UV rays, UV light, diba? They have a test that comes with it. So you'll see how bad, diba? You'll see how bad it is. And when you put this light in front of your glasses, let's see if it's gonna have it. So, look at that. Hindi siya masyadong tumatama. I don't know if you can see, pero hindi siya masyado as harsh. There, nakatakip siya. Can you see it? So, nakatakip siya sa blue light. If you get your Peculiar glasses, you will see this test, and it actually works, and it's nice na at least inform yung mga clients sila, inform yung mga bumibili na you're gonna be protected, diba? Hindi sila nag-joke time, which is nice. So, kudos to you, Peculiar. I love it. It's really affordable as well. You have to check their site There's a lot of pwedeng pagpilian. Again, you can put green in it. You can change the lens kung anong gusto nyo. Kasi I also saw na you can change it sa nag-iiba yung glass, yung lens nyo pag may sunshine. So it's really good. At least they have that option also. So I'm so happy to have these glasses. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to wear them. But this has to be my favorite. This really has to be my favorite. It's so stylish. I can wear it outside. I can wear it to read. I can wear it when I'm just using my phone and be stylish as well. So thank you, Peculiar. I'm so excited to get my graded glasses already. Kahit wala pa siyang glasses, alam ko protected na yung eyes ko. So I encourage you guys to check their website and try it. It's going to be worth it. It's a local brand. So thank you. Oh, there's another one here. This is the Peculiar anti-fog. We all need this because we're all wearing face shields right now, and annoying yung fog, diba? Even in sa glasses natin, nagkakaroon ng fog when we wear masks. So you just have to spray it, use a tissue or cloth, and then wipe your glasses, and then let it dry, and then fog-free vision na kayo. So what more can you ask for, diba? Sobrang kailangan natin to ngayon, lalo na sa mga nagsusuot ng mga salamin and ayaw magsuot na ng contact lens as much as possible. But then I love it. Thank you so much, Peculiar. I'm so excited to wear. I'm so excited to flaunt it to everyone. So good job.